Mosquitoes are really bad.
I'm gonna try to sneak out of here, not booger anything up, so I can come back in here and kill them tomorrow. Tomorrow's a kill day. Alright, I'm gonna get out. Howdy, we're back. I'm gonna try to slip back into that spot I was in yesterday where I saw that buck. Try and just get a little bit more on the X than I was last night. All that stuff is flooded and there were just acorns dropping just boop, boop, boop the whole time I was in there, and it's a beautiful day to hunt deer. It doesn't happen very often here, but the weather's in the mid 50s. We got a good amount of wind, so the acorns are just gonna keep on dropping. Colder, and it's October 3rd, still early season. I don't see any reason why that buck's gonna move very far from that spot. I set up on that fresh sign, and I mean, I saw him in there yesterday, so we're gonna see if my hunch is correct. I don't think he's gonna move very far, and I'm gonna slip in there and see if I can put an arrow in him. God, I freaking hope so. It's a good day to be in the woods. It's a good day to kill a deer, so we'll see. Setup from yesterday up there. The wind's not really doing what it's supposed to, but I think I'm gonna try to get out in the swamp a little bit. It's a little bit quieter walking in that water. Try to get closer, try to find his tracks from yesterday so I can see which way he went and set up on him. Get to that patch of green stuff that he was in. I think I'll probably hit it again the way the acorns were dropping around it. Hopefully he shows up. I should have just sat still. God damn it. Damn it. He was bedded right there. Bedded right there on the bank. I'm sure he was bedded the exact same spot yesterday. And just got up and started feeding along the opposite side. That's why he didn't come to me yesterday, is because he was already across the creek. Damn it. Well, I might have blown it trying to get up close to the creek. And the closer I got to it, the more I realized that that buck was across the creek yesterday when I spotted him. So I was inching my way up. And I don't, like, hindsight's 20/20. I don't know if I was moving too fast. I was moving really slow. But maybe I just got too close to him because he was literally bedded right on the bank, right across the creek. And I should have just glassed over there or something. I should have glassed exactly where as I was piecing these things together, figuring out that he was on the other side, figuring out the last time that I saw him. I should have just thrown some glass over there and made absolutely sure that he wasn't just sitting on the bank over there looking at me. That's exactly what he was doing. And I moved in, was getting closer to this creek, and right here where I wanted to set up, just right over it, because I was like, okay, even if he does the same thing, I'll just shoot him across the creek. It's only 20 yards. I'm disgusted because I saw him take off running. Exact same buck. I've seen him do that, just bed out in the middle of an island in the swamp. But there's so many, like, little islands that don't show up on the map out in the swamp. It's hard to know which one they're going to bet on. Tomorrow, I'm going to go buy some roof racks for my van and bring my kayak out here. And I can access this creek that he was on. I'm going to access it by kayak setup down the creek the way that he worked last night. Set up down 50, 60 yards. Get in there quiet, get set up. And hopefully he's using that bed again because it worked for him. I think there's a chance that he goes back to that bed. And if he does, then by bumping him, I've learned how to kill him, essentially. We just have to hope that he does the same thing, because he was safe in his bed. His bed worked. We just need him to go back to his bed. This might be my last attempt, my last chance to kill this buck. He's bedded in the same spot, paddling down this creek that he was bedded up against. I want to try to set up in between him and the direction that he fed when he stood up out of his bed the day before yesterday. If he's bedded in that same spot, then I feel really confident about my setup. I'm just not super confident that he's still going to be bedded there. But if he is, I feel like this is worth it to sit this anyways. And if he's not, if I don't see him tonight, then I'll move on, hit a different area, find another buck. I'm like 80 yards from his bed, if he's still there. And I'm just moving painstakingly slow, just whenever the wind gets up a little bit, taking like 4 or 5 steps, and then just glassing hard, because if he's there, like, I think I'm gonna kill him. This bank is like a little pine ridge for about 50, 60 yards, and I can see what I assume are his fresh tracks on this pine ridge, so I would like to get up there close enough to get eyes on him. I'd like to get up close enough to glass him in his bed. If he stands up and works off a different direction, doesn't come down this pine ridge on the bank of the creek here, then I'd like to know that instead of just wondering. So that's why I want to get close to him, but I gotta be really careful about it, because if I spook him again, then it's over. If he's still there, that is. We don't even know. This is kind of just a shot in the dark, but could work out. Up here and got eyes on him. He's in his bed. He's maybe only 50, 60 yards away, laying down in his bed. I gotta try. There's a little mound right here in front of me. I gotta try to get to that mound and make a setup for him. It could go down tonight. Swam across the creek, just stood up out of his bed. I wonder if he winded me. Oh, that one hurts way worse than yesterday. I'm about to cry. I don't know what to do now. I saw him stand up. I was just about to move up, get into a setup, and he stood up, and I started scrambling, trying to get the tripod ready in case he walked this line. I was about to knock an arrow, and then I heard him start swimming across the creek. He acted like he smelled me. I mean, the creek should be flowing the other way. My wind should be sucking back that way. That's the predominant wind today. The wind's all over the place. It's going that way, it's going that way, it's going that way. I'm sick. I'm sick to my stomach. What are you gonna do?
In a last-ditch effort, I swung around towards the direction that buck was headed to see if I could get back on him. But alas, I was unsuccessful, tucked my tail, and headed home. On the next episode, welcome back. Here we are, yet again, in pursuit of the North American whitetail buck. Now, I'm going to tell y'all this right now. I'm feeling pretty confident.